So what is it that fearless agents learn that non-fearless agent coaching students never learn? You know, you can go to fearlessagent.com and go to the speaking page, and there's an excerpt from a 2-day event called the Fearless Agent Experience. And over those 2 days, we take brand new people and turn them into skilled, highly skilled real estate professionals that know more than the agents in their own company that have been doing business for 20 years about sales, how to make money, how to help their clients better in 2 days, completely transform them. If you're a company owner and you would like to have a Fearless Agent event, either 2-day, 1-day, half-day, whatever works for you, we'd be happy to provide that for you. Or if you need a speaker for your already scheduled event, I'm always happy to help you with that too. You can call me anytime at 480-385-8810. What we teach your agents is the skills, the schedules, and the systems of Fearless Agents. We cover all the presentations, listing, pricing, for sale by owner, buyer, investor, what to say on the phone to get your agents into as many of those situations. It could transform your entire company, but most important, it'll make your sellers a lot richer. It'll make your buyers get a better house. It'll make your agents a lot richer and happier, and they'll stay with you and your company forever. So if you ever have any questions about that, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com. Watch my video there on how to recruit producing agents, see if I can help you with any of that. Subscribe to my podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Go to fearlessagent.tv, which is where you are now. Hit the subscribe button and go to fearlessagent.com and just watch all the videos that are on there. Watch the webinar and all the stuff we have there. And let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.